Welcome to Apaya Road in Solsona, Ilocos Norte. Why do tourists visit this place? Because it offers one of the most scenic and refreshing drives in Solsona, surrounded by lush forests, rolling hills, and misty mountain views. What can visitors do here? Many enjoy sightseeing, taking pictures of the stunning landscape and stopping by cool spring resorts nearby. For adventure seekers, it's perfect for hiking or even just a long road trip with friends. Follow the ride along the zigzag roads, enjoying the cool breeze and panoramic views, then ending the day with local food in Solsona town proper. For food, tourists can taste Ilocano delicacies like empanada, bagnet, and longganisa in local eateries. The weather here is amazing. Fresh mountain air and cooler temperatures, especially during summer, make it a refreshing escape from the heat. Thing to do is to enjoy the scenery, go on nature walks, and take photos of the vibrant greenery. Visitors often say that Apaya Road is not just a road, it's a journey filled with beauty, peace, and adventure.
Awanan ti ubog tayo, ti bantay ket makalkalbo, gaputi agum nga agtros-troso. Dongdong ay si dong ilay, insinali dumaay. Dongdong ay si dong ilay.
What are you waiting for? Discover Apaya Road in Solsona, where every curve of the road is a picture-perfect memory waiting to happen.
Dagiti bilit, tinmayab da nga agsangsangit, balay da pinukan dagiti pangit.